Standard 10, Political Science, Chapter number 5, Challenges Faced by Indian Democracy. Talking about challenges before Indian democracy. To make democracy more meaningful, the Government of India decentralized power and adopted the policy of reservation for women and weaker sections of the society. Women and weaker sections which were neglected till now, policy was adopted to have reservations for them. But we should think whether such measures really gave power in the hands of the citizens. We will come to know as we proceed further, and the answer is no. Communalism and terrorism. Religious conflict and the resultant terrorism is one of the major challenges before Indian democracy. Social stability gets hampered, gets disturbed due to increasing religious hostility. Hostility means intolerance. People's participation in democratic process reduces to a great extent due to terrorism because of fear. Left extremists, Naxalism. Naxalism is a major problem in India. Naxalism began as a movement to remove injustice against aggressive landless farmers and tribal people. It was started to protect the rights of the farmers and tribal people. But today, Naxalism has become a violent struggle. They are using violent means to achieve their goals. In the Naxalite movement, the importance of the problems of farmers and tribal people has reduced as of today. Instead, violent measures to oppose the government policies, attacking the police forces, and such other tactics are used by the Naxalite groups. So the main motto of helping the farmers and the tribal people has been forgotten, and it has taken a completely different meaning. It has taken the meaning to oppose the government policies, to act against the government. If the question is asked on Naxalism, as a short note for 2 marks, you need to pick up 4 points from this paragraph. Moving ahead with corruption. In India, the extent of corruption is said to be very high in the public sector. Public sector means the government sector. Government's working capacity is reduced due to corruption at the political and administrative levels. Political levels mean because there is interference from the politicians not allowing the regular government work to happen. Administrative levels means to meet individual desires, to fulfill individual desires. Government servants are not working up to the mark unless bribe is paid to them. People develop distrust and dissatisfaction about the entire governmental system due to the delay in governmental work, poor public services and facilities, and different financial blunders. Due to various reasons, if there is any delay in governmental work, if the public services and facilities that are offered to the public, if they are of poor quality, and different financial blunders come to the fore, people lose their trust in the government. They are not satisfied with the services provided by the government. Misappropriation of funds is the biggest culprit in this issue. Corruption in the electoral process in the form of bogus voting, bribing the voters, abducting the voters, and such other things reduces people's confidence in the democratic process. This also includes violence against other candidates of other parties or within the party. All this leads to mistrust amongst the general public. A short note on corruption. For 2 marks, you will be required to write 4 points from this paragraph.